Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I received this ColourPop collection and I want to give away from Kris and Kathy. So I'll link their channel down below, their Instagrams, and if I don't, please tell me. But I'm sure I will remember. This is so cute and adorable. So they wrote me a letter. It says, Rachel, you have been such a blessing for us. I hope you like the collection. Take care, stay safe. Kris and Kathy, super cute. And oh my gosh, this is so adorable. And I love collecting random pens, so I thought this was so cute. I have not seen this at stores, so oh, this is so beautiful. And this is what it looks like. And this is from ColourPop, the Cherry collection. So that's what that looks like. It's a little card, says, thanks a latte from ColourPop. Super cute. And it comes with this little cherry. I love wearing these. I have a clip in right now, so you know I love wearing clips. Super adorable. Let's see. So excited. This is Cheek Dew Serum Blush. That's what that looks like. This is in Cherish You. Super cute. Let's see what it looks like. I'm excited. I won 4 giveaways and only 2 people gave me their giveaways. So like I get excited when I actually do receive them because usually I don't. Let's see if I can open it from the other way. Let's see. Oh. Looks very beautiful. I'm gonna have to go lightly onto the finger and then the cheek. I like to do that. So that is really nice. And the second one is Cherish You. Is it the same blush? Let's see. So they're about the same. Okay. I'm excited. And then this one is ColourPop BFF Gel Liner. Oh, I can't wait to try their gel liners. And this was in Jubilee. Oh, that is a beautiful color. I have to swatch that one. Ooh, it's so creamy. Very beautiful. I'm going to have to swatch a blush too. It's really nice. Oh, wow. That's really bright and beautiful. I'm excited. It looks like that. Let's see if I can blend it in. So I'm going to have to go really lightly, but it blends out pretty nice. Ooh, I like that. This will be good for like springtime. I'll try that tomorrow. See how I like that. And another liquid liner, nice. And this is in, I don't know what that says. Ooh, I can't wait. Ooh, it's white. Ooh, I was debating on getting this from the Nightmare Before Christmas, but I'm excited that I got it. That's beautiful. I'm excited to play around with that one. Next is a hand mirror. Very nice. I was like wanting a mirror from ColourPop. So I'm excited that I got a mirror. Because I'm like, oh, I really like want a little mirror. Ooh, it's like a silicone plastic. So that's what it looks like. Very cute and little. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. I love it. And then last is a palette. I'm excited. I love getting palettes. That's what it looks like in the outer portion. I love when ColourPop does that on their packaging. It's cute. Little cherries. I actually don't like eating cherries, but I think the cherries are so cute. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. Look at that. That is so beautiful. So we have Sweet Like, Cerise shade, Cherry Stem, Tie a Knot, Very Cherry, Juicy Juicy, Scarlet, Black Cherry, and Take a Bite. So I'm gonna swatch. Ooh, that's gorgeous. I don't think I have a shade like that. That is gorgeous. That's beautiful. Swatched beautifully. I love ColourPop's. Oh, yes. I love like corally shades. That is gorgeous. I love ColourPop's formula. I don't know why I didn't love ColourPop sooner. So I'll probably have more of a collection than BH, but I had BH first. In my collection, I love ColourPop. Look at those shades. So we're on the second row. Ah, very beautiful. Oh, I love how nicely they are swatching. Very beautiful. Then we're on the last row. This pink is beautiful. I'm excited I got this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So happy. So excited. Look at that. And then the last shade. These will stain. And then like a purpley shade. Oh, look at that. Very pigmented, very nice quality. I'm excited to play around with this. I think I'm gonna play around with this tomorrow since I am doing pretty good on my Project Pan palettes and my project. So, and I love the look that I created today. So this will be a double video for today because I'm so excited to share this video with you. And I won a giveaway from Kris and Kathy, and I'll link all their info down below. I love this very much. Thank you so much, girls. This is super cute palette. Super adorable. I love the collection. I love everything. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Please subscribe and follow them on Instagram and on YouTube. And so thank you very much, Kris and Kathy. You are the best. I love watching you. Sweet, kind, friendly. I love watching them every day as much as I can. They're just so sweet and loving so much. I love you girls so much. You guys are a blessing in my life. You guys cheer me up. I love laughing with you girls. You girls are so silly and funny. Just everything. I love this palette so much. I love everything. I'm excited to play with this liner. I'm gonna have to play with both of them tomorrow. I'm gonna play with this cheek product. This is super cute. Now I have like a backup because I think they're both the same. So this might be in a good project pan for next year. I'm so excited. I love this eye look that I created today. So it should be posting right now. And along with this today will be a double video today. I'm rambling. Thank you so much, Kris and Kathy. I'm so excited. I'm blessed. And thank you for doing giveaways. I know this year I didn't do a giveaway just because everything is going up, and I see how much you paid for the shipping, and I'm like, oh my gosh, everything is going up. This year has changed everything, but I should be doing a giveaway, but I don't think this year has just been crazy on me. So this cheered me up from the depressing moments I had this year. So thank you so much. This cheered me up. This made my day. This made hopefully the rest of this year. I love everything. I'm so blessed for you girls. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.